Right guys, so today we are going to be going through a Matic long that was taken on the 27th. Multiple members took this trade and I'm just going to do a little bit of a recap and a breakdown and give my reason to why I did take this trade and why I thought it was a good trade. So what we're going to do is start off by identifying our harmonic. So I've already got it written on the screen and marked as a bat pattern, but just so me and you can both be on the same page, we're just going to measure using the Fibonacci retracement tool just to confirm so we can both see eye to eye. So what we're going to do is take from X to A to measure our B point, which lands exactly at the 50% level. The next thing that we are going to do is measure our C point. This just involves the exact same thing, a Fibonacci retracement tool from A to B to determine our C point. For a bat pattern, we are looking for a C point to land anywhere between 38.2 and the 88.6 mark. And you can see we just got that we've landed just between the 61.8 and the 78.6. Now for our final for our final point, we've got D, which is a retracement of 88.6% from X to A move. So as you can see, that pretty much lines up perfectly with where we're looking for, and I've already marked the point of interest as a horizontal line so that we can scope out and have a look and determine whether it's a good support level. So we're just going to go into the daily and we're going to see how price has reacted from this level. And already you can see that we've had multiple upwards moves from this level in particular. We've had multiple touches at this level and it's caused a pretty considerable move in price. And that is really what we're looking for when we are entering this trade here, or what we were looking for, I suppose. So now I'm just going to zoom in a little bit further and just go into the 15-minute, because realistically what we need to do is refine our entry, because our 88.6% is not going to be our entry. We've just got to think if anything can happen really. We need more confirmation. We just need a bit of extra confidence. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn on the RSI. We're really going to focus on trying to find this bullish divergence and try identify it on the lower time frame. So what we're going to do, we'll just make this a little bit smaller and just bring this in, and we will hit play and just wait for the 88.6% to be touched. So we're making higher lows. And there we go, we have our touch on the 88.6% mark. Now, there is bullish divergence all across the chart as we're coming down. We're making lower lows on the chart, but on the RSI, higher highs, which is already a really good sign. Now for our last confluence, the next and final thing that we need to look for is a bullish close above the baseline. What a baseline is a candle which determines the harmonic, which completes the pattern. So this is the one that we're going to look at. You can see this wicked our 88.6% level and produced a pretty bullish candle to the upside. Now what we're looking for is a nice bullish close above this level and a retest again. So I'm just gonna use the path just so we can both be on the same page. So we're looking for something like this. That is what we're looking for. And what we're going to do is we're just going to hit play and just wait until we get that close above the baseline. Pretty quickly we got the close above the baseline, and this was in the space of an hour or so. And yeah, now all we're waiting for is our retest of the baseline. Then we enter our long position targeting a 2-to-1. So what we're going to do is just put it on the chart like so. Stops, typically I put my stop just below the D point, just below the wick. I give it enough room because we don't want to be liquidity, we want to avoid it at all costs. So yeah, 1.2% stop seems reasonable to me, and we're always going to target the 2 to 1. We don't want to be too greedy. Anything can happen, so we just want to take our profit and get out of the market as quick as we can. So yeah, let's hit play again, and we are going to see when we trigger, and then we'll see how we go. You can see we're just we get our hit. We come straight back to our 88.6% level, or our support level, and now all we're really waiting for is a push up to our take profit. Let's just see if we get that. We'll just extend this a little bit further along. There we go, and we get our 2 to 1 trade. Took 50% at 1 to 1. Told all the members to just take the 50%. Just safety, stops the break even as always, and yeah, that's the recap done. I hope you guys kind of learned something, or at least took some of this on board. Yeah.